Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike. I'm making another video today. I'm out here on the lake. We finally got a break in the weather. We have been having wind and storms for a month. The lake is super high. As you can see on my boat dock, the water level is all the way up to the boardwalk. Lake is super full. Been up and down for about a month, but it's pretty day today. I'm out running a motor. This is restore number 155, a 1968 Evinrude for Dave in Toledo, Ohio. I did 2 motors for Dave, and he's coming to pick this one up next week, so I just wanted to take it out again. I've already test run it, but I wanted to make sure it's good for him for when he gets it next week, so I'm out on the lake doing it. So I've been running her. She runs great. Let's give her a pull and see if she'll get started and take off for us. Here we go. Starts right up. Let's take her out. Good one. Let's give her a good run. Yes, sir. She's ready for you, Dave. Let's take her on in. Of a Boudreaux and Thibodeau joke. So Boudreaux and Thibodeau walked into the unemployment office looking for jobs. Boudreaux walks up to the counter and tells the clerk behind the counter, "Yes, ma'am, I'm looking for a job." So the clerk said, "Well, do you have any skills?" "Oh, yeah," Boudreaux said, "I'm a pilot." The clerk said, "A pilot? Oh, we have plenty of job openings for a pilot. Here, take this form, go sit over there and fill it out, and we'll find you a job." Boudreaux goes to the desk to fill it out. Thibodeau walks up to the clerk and she says, "Can I help you?" Thibodeau says, "Yeah, I'm looking for a job." The clerk said, "Well, do you have any skills?" Thibodeau says, "Well, yeah." He said, "I cut cane." The clerk said, "You cut cane?" She said, "I'm sorry, sir. We don't have any jobs for cane cutters." Thibodeau said, Ma'am." He said, "I can't understand that." He said, "How can he pilot if I don't cut it?" hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. Sitting out here on my walkway on my lake and editing the videos and posting them on YouTube with a good signal here. And just wanted to remind you, T Mike's got a website now. That's right, got my own website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. It's right there, the first link in the description down below. Go ahead and check out my website. It's pretty cool. I got, I think one of the best parts of it is the mail-in repair service and the parts broker pages. You can click on those links and submit a form to me that gives me the horsepower, brand, model number, your email address, your phone number. Give me all the information so I can gather the parts you need, or you can ship me your parts for repair through my website. Just create a form, gives me all the information. I can provide a quote to you right back, and then we can get her done. So T Mike is upgraded with a website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I did. So just remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.